What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm headed into Dollar Tree to get some helium balloons. Gator wants to have some fun with some helium balloons. And, you know, I said, okay, you could wait a day or two. Let's enjoy them. But then ultimately, he wants to suck the helium. So I just want to come in here and see what's new. You guys have been hauling a lot of cute things. Oh wow, they have so many flip-flops. Out on the window, you guys, it said something like flip-flop. I don't know, something about flip-flops. Extravaganza. Ooh. Cactus. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Cheetah. Stand tall and stand out. The mermaid print. Stripes. Flamingos. The flamingos are really cute. Sit back and relax. Not sit back, sit back. The pink and green. These ones are back from last year. The white. The green and pink. This one that's kind of tribal. I really love these. I don't really like how flimsy this is on this pair though, but I really love how these look. Palm trees. These are kids sizes, I think. Yeah, kids. Oh look, they have these. This is my first time seeing the ones with straps for little kids. Little kids can't wear flip-flops without these. The Sharkies. Mermaid. That's sort of a metallic. Oh, the watermelons are so pretty. The anchors, these are women's. A recipe for strawberry daiquiris. Be happy. Girl power. Con in the sun. Beast mode. Some blue ones. I really like the shark ones. Camo. 4th of July. The American flag. Oh, more of these with the little straps. The black and the gray. Looks like all the stuff for grads is in. The mugs. The frames. The wall art. Ducky. The tumblers. The graduation bubbles. Those are so cute. I like these. They have the document frames. And lots of nice dollar cards by Voila. That is so cute. Cheers, grad. I love this one, You Go Girl. Congrats, now earn some money. This one. My store is just stocking the summer things. Ooh, they have the new towels here. Tropic like it's hot. Stand tall and stand out. The sea turtles. They also have the matching sea turtle drying mat. I got a bunch of these last year and I've been using them as placemats all year, and they wash and dry really nicely. Some more kitchen towels. These all kind of feel silky and microfiberish. I think for me, I think they're nice as decorative towels, but I don't think they're the most absorbent. Sit back and relax. This is so pretty. I really like this design. They have the matching bowls and the paper plates. And a bunch of pretty napkins. Wow, those are so pretty. We get 12 in a pack. They have some other drawing mats over here and matching towels. Cute trays. These are considered actually to be plates, not trays. These are plates. I really, really love these colors. Dollar Tree did a nice job putting this one together. Wow. There's that turtle again. Meet me by the ocean. Some of these are back from last year. Aww. Hello, summer. Sweet summertime. These are cute. They're plastic. Oh, I love the lemons. Are they BPA free though? It doesn't say. The matching turtle. So pretty. Oh, those are cute. These are little paper cutouts. And they have lots of paper straws. Wow, these are so cute this year. This one is so cute with the umbrella right in the middle. Wow, and lots of little plastic table covers. Just so tropical and pretty. Oh, the mason jars. The little umbrella picks. The little inflatables. Sandy Beach, Salty Seas, Relaxation. Current, coastal, clamshells, calm, sandcastles, and catch. And all the bright colored storage bins are here too. A little flimsy. Oh, I really like these. These are a little sturdier. Just says basket, ideal for countertop and shelf storage. These ones are much more shallow, but they feel more sturdy. They have it in the red, and the teal, and the green. And these up here, these are nice. Sorry. These are so cute. 4 ice cream bowls and 4 little spoons. They have the colorful laundry baskets. Everything is very coordinating. The water pitchers. These are really nice, you guys, if you get a collection of things in your junk drawer and you need to sort some things out, or in one of your kids' toy baskets. That makes sorting really easy. Oh, my store has them. They are so pretty. Look at the plates. Those are so pretty. And these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the pineapple. We get 8 plates in a pack. These are so, so pretty. These would be really nice for like a baby shower or a birthday or maybe like cake testing. Those are so pretty. You guys, my store has the 4th of July items. I really wasn't expecting to see everything here yet. Wow. Ooh, and the new shopping bags are here. Tropic, like it's tropic, like it's tropic, like it's hot. And the little hats. Ooh, look you guys. The cactus scarves. These match the flip-flops. Aw, look at these little bags. So cute. That's a really cute little hat. Well, hey you guys, I'm gonna get those balloons for Gator and I'm out of here. I'm off to do more filming for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me here in Dollar Tree. If you did, show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.